traveling across the state and meeting with over 60 hospital and health system leaders, and I thought we ought to open the doors at MHA and invite our members to come and see what we're doing here at the Hospital Association.
I'm Tom Klein-Hansel, President and CEO of Frederick Health, and current chair of the board of the Maryland Hospital Association. I couldn't be more pleased to be here partners in the legislature, all the great staff at MHA opening their doors to my colleagues around the state. And this is just a delightful afternoon. Healthy hospitals, healthy communities. We're trying to make connections here. You can feel the vibrancy and the energy in the organization and in the building today. So happy to be here, and thanks for everyone at MHA for all the hard work you do on behalf of all of us.
As a part of the total cost of care model. Mary, good job. You got it. So you get to pick one of each of these. The red, the white, the blue is in some order these three lines, and then we try to guess which one's which.